Connector ends can be animated. Select the connector end and then check the option Apply Rollover Animate Connector End within the connector panel. Basically how this works, we define a new set of properties for this connector end that come into play when the mouse pointer hovers over the marker. These properties include width, height, color, opacity, rotation, and filter. The rotation property is included only if the connector end is not acting as a pointer. Note that only the properties you change will animate. So let's alter the mouse rollover or hover properties for this connector end. Increase the width or height. Change the color. Let's fade this connector end a little bit. Let's preview our work. And you can see the animation in action. We can also set the animation parameters to alter the style of this animation. These parameters include delay, duration, type, and effect. So that is how you animate a connector end.